Drivers behind the lines, and 3, 2, 1, go. And both these alliances are off to a good start in auto. Blue taking the lead in the auto period. So it's a battle between human players right now as we enter the tele-op phase, where Blue holds the lead. And RoboCats dives themselves into a pool of fuel, where they're going to go and play defense against 91-37 and try and stop the Red Alliance from scoring. Both alliances tied now, with the Red Alliance holding the lead. Devastators, 29-50, trying to get some fuel and shoot it into the hub. 58-94, trying to get as much fuel as they can to their human players to try and make up for the points for the lead they lost. 91-37, trying to get as much fuel as they can to head it over to their human players. 1-1-2-2-4, also trying to get as much fuel as they can to get it over onto their side. 58-94, also trying to shuttle fuel onto their side, but it seems like they've stopped. What's going on with them? Devastators, 29-50, seems to be in a little bit of a pickle right now, trying to figure out what they want to do with the fuel. 58-94, trying to get fuel over onto their side and send it over to Devastator. 43-32, still playing fair defense, with 71-38, seeming to also be in a bit of a pickle right now. 91-37 over on their side, trying to get their fuel over to their human players. As Blue takes the lead. (91-37), going and shooting, trying to gain back the lead they lost. It's been a back and forth battle between these two alliances. With only 14 seconds on the clock, Devastators ends up shooting in the hub. And helping out the Blue Alliance. Helping out the Blue Alliance as well is the human players, scoring a substantial lead to end the match. Alliance, 55-41, where the Blue Alliance is going to come home with 3 ranking points.